Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of calculus. You might have heard the word before, but what does it really mean? Calculus is a branch of mathematics that helps us understand change and motion. It's everywhere from predicting the weather to designing rockets. In this video, we'll break down the basics of calculus, why it matters, and how it shapes the world around us. Let's start by exploring what calculus actually is and why it's considered one of the most important tools in science and engineering. Calculus is all about studying how things change. Imagine you're watching a car speed up or a plant grow. Calculus gives us the language and tools to describe these changes precisely. It's made up of two main parts: differential calculus, which looks at rates of change, and integral calculus, which helps us find totals or areas. Together, these two branches help us solve problems that would be impossible with basic math alone. Let's look at each part a little closer. First up is differential calculus. This part focuses on how things change at any given moment. For example, if you're driving a car, differential calculus can tell you your exact speed at a specific second. It's like zooming in on a curve to see how steep it is right there. Scientists and engineers use this to study everything from how fast a ball falls to how quickly a disease spreads. It's all about understanding the rate at which things happen. Now let's talk about integral calculus. While differential calculus looks at small changes, integral calculus helps us add up all those tiny changes to find the total. Imagine you want to know how far you've traveled after driving at different speeds. Integral calculus lets you add up all those little distances to get the big picture. It's also used to find areas, volumes, and even probabilities. This makes it a powerful tool in many fields. Calculus isn't just for mathematicians. It's used in real life every day. Engineers use calculus to design safer cars and bridges. Doctors use it to understand how medicine moves through the body. Even economists use calculus to predict market trends. Whenever you see something changing, like the speed of a roller coaster or the growth of a savings account, calculus is working behind the scenes to help us understand and predict what happens next. But why is calculus so important? It's the foundation for much of modern science and technology. Without calculus, we wouldn't have smartphones, GPS, or even the internet. It allows us to solve complex problems, make accurate predictions, and create new inventions. Whether you realize it or not, calculus touches almost every part of our daily lives. That's why learning the basics can open up a whole new way of seeing the world. Nature is full of calculus in action. From the way rivers carve valleys to how plants grow towards sunlight, calculus helps explain these natural processes. Scientists use calculus to model the spread of diseases, the movement of planets, and even the patterns of animal populations. By understanding calculus, we can better appreciate the beauty and complexity of the world around us. If you're curious about calculus, the good news is that anyone can start learning. Begin with the basics, understand what functions are, how graphs work, and what it means for something to change. There are plenty of resources from textbooks to online videos that make calculus more approachable. With practice and patience, you'll soon see how calculus connects to so many things you already know. Wrap up: calculus is much more than just a subject in school. It's a powerful way of thinking that helps us solve real problems and understand the world. Whether you're interested in science, engineering, economics, or just curious about how things work, calculus offers tools that can open new doors. Thanks for joining this journey into the basics of calculus. Keep exploring and you'll discover even more amazing connections.